Okay guys, so you welcome once again on this platform, and in this video today we are going to talk about Call of Duty not opening problem. So if you're facing Call of Duty not working problem, or if your Call of Duty is not really working, this is what you have to do. But first, please, you have to wait over here. Tap on the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, and also give a comment. I want to know where you are watching me from. Just type in your country name in the comment section and I'll be happy and appreciate that, bro. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, scroll, and you're going to see your settings button or your settings app. Just tap on the settings app. And after that, what you have to do next is to scroll and you're going to see app management. So tap on the app management. After tapping on it, what you have to do next is to tap on app settings. So after tapping on the app settings, what you have to do is to scroll and you're going to see the C section. So when you find the C section, what you have to do is to tap on the Call of Duty. So that's Call of Duty. And to solve this problem, what you have to do is to focus over here, because this place is really important. This is the major or body of these steps or this fixing video. So what you have to do over here is to tap on the notification, then you allow it. Make sure all this is tagged on. After that, go back, then you tap on the storage and cache. After tapping on it, tap on clear cache to clear your cache. And if you are new to their platform, tap on the clear storage and tap on OK. But if you are old in the platform and you have a lot of resources, a lot of things, a lot of tools, and you don't want to lose it, just go back and forget about it. Then you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. And other phones too, you're not going to see mobile data and Wi-Fi, but we're going to see mobile data restriction. So you tap on it and you're going to be around this place. Then you tap on background data, you target it on, then you go back. What you have to do is to check whether all your permissions are allowed. So as you can see, calendar, files and media, microphone is allowed. So after doing all this, what you have to do lastly is to tap on force stop. So when you tap on force stop, it's going to say if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. Just forget about it and tap on OK. So after doing all this, what you have to do lastly is to scroll and you're going to see Google Play Store or Play Store on your phone. Just tap on the Play Store app, or if you're using an iOS device, tap on the App Store and search for Call of Duty. When you find the game, tap on it like this and you're going to be around this place. So when you tap on it and you can see update over here, just tap on the update. But when you can see update, but rather you can see play, just leave it like that. So when you can see updates, just tap on it and it's going to reinstall. It's going to download and reinstall on your mobile device or on your mobile phone. So after reinstalling it, what you have to do is to just go back to your phone menu. Then you tap on your power button for some seconds and you are going to see this. Boom! On other phones, you're not going to see this, but we're going to see maybe reboot. Do you get me? You're going to see power off, reboot. And other phones too, as my own, you are seeing power off and restart. So tap on restart or reboot when you can see it on the phone. So you just, drop it, then you leave it and it's going to, it's going to restart or reboot. Do you get me? And if you can't see restart and reboot, just tap on your power button for long and it's going to turn off. When it turns off, just turn it on again and it's the same process. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platforms. See you in the next one. Bye.